I basically arrived here like 20 minutes too late, trying to get the lavu up. My bag's stuck under that cherry over there, and some serious gusts came down. I was meant to put the lavu over there, and that tree is swaying heavily that way. It's a strong tree, but damn, when I saw that I said, alright, changing position. I'm gonna put shelter underneath this hawthorn here. If this were to come down, you know, on top of the lavu, it's not going to do as much damage as that like beast over there. So I've got to get this lavu up soon because my trousers aren't waterproof and I don't want jacket to get too wet. So I don't know what you call it. Is it Ciara or Ciara? Storm Ciara? You're kind of showing your might right now. 10 minutes ago when I was walking through the park to get here, it wasn't too bad. So if the weather really turns bad, it's going to be difficult to cook. I did manage to bring through 2 fire reflectors or wind reflectors, whatever you're going to call them. I've got 2 of those so I can really encase the fire. I'm not going to obviously have a wood fire tonight. I'm reserving that for tomorrow as a possibility. I would like to do that. What I am going to do tonight is basically just have the alcohol burner doing my thing, cooking what I need to cook. Wind's picking up now, and there's a kind of like a heavy drizzle that's starting to come down the last couple of minutes. It's now 5:15 in the evening. So I'm starting to get kind of hungry now, so I think it's a good idea to start getting that stove going, since the weather's still pretty right. It's a bit windy, you know, here and there's a gust of wind that comes along that throws the trees around a bit, but it's actually pretty calm other than the rain. That's pretty much it. So I think this is it. I'm confined to the tent for the rest of the night. I would love to be able to make a fire tomorrow, like I said earlier, but I don't know, it's still scheduled like heavy rain tomorrow, heavy wind and stuff, so we'll just see, you know, we'll see how everything plays out. We're playing Mother Nature's game right now, so it's not a case of like, you know, watching Mr. Weatherman and saying, yeah, we can do this and we can do that. Nope, it's nature that dictates tonight and tomorrow, so you need to live with that. That's why we enjoy it. It smells really nice. That's weird. I got a quick smell out of there that reminds me of an awesome nutrient-rich cereal we have in South Africa called Pronutro. It's just making me like mouth water right now. It's actually looking pretty good. Nice. Okay, just took that off now. Nice and steamy. Yeah. That's hot enough to eat. So coffee's ready. Yeah, it's pretty good enough for me. I mixed it a couple of minutes before it boiled, just to kind of help the sugar to dissolve a bit quicker. Every once in a while, the wind picks up a bit. I'm thinking it's possibly that I don't feel it much because the shape of the lavu, being, you know, TP kind of conical shape, it's not really affecting us that much. And then just once in a while, the lantern that's hanging up here, that just gets bounced around a bit when the wind hits. But yeah, I think I'm gonna feel like quite a calm night. It's gone 7:30, and supposedly the strongest wind was supposed to reach us by 6 p.m. So, and that didn't happen. The strongest wind happened as soon as I arrived here at like 3:30 or whatever. So we'll see. They're saying the winds are going to carry on until tomorrow at some point, then pretty much heavy rain. So hopefully we get some surprises in the night. Who knows, you know? So it's like 20 to 10 in the evening, and I think I'm just gonna hit the sack, eh? Yeah, don't know what time I'm gonna wake up. Yeah, I'll wake up to do some updates if the weather gets heavy or if there's any rain or anything. Other than that, catch you in the morning. The wind has picked up over the last maybe 25 minutes or something. Well, actually, I don't know how long it's been going on for. It woke me up a few times, but then you know, just quickly. But then at some point I was just like, why is it every time the wind blows I'm feeling some serious draft inside the tent? So I got up, well, I opened my eyes and I could kind of see some light, and then after focusing for a minute I realized that the bottom flap, or the right hand flap, had blown off the peg over there and come open, because I didn't bother doing the bottom set of buttons, so it was open up until like the second set of buttons, which is about that high, which is technically about a foot away from the where the peg is, and that was flapping around, so I got up to fix that. I want you to enjoy the surprise with me. Slightly breezy, nothing serious. Nothing like the weather forecast that I saw. So a good thing to do would be get that fire going, get the food going, and just try to get everything done by a particular time, and hopefully, yeah, be able to get out pretty easily. You know, maybe the storm has blown itself over, but who knows, you know. Wow. Gee, look at that. It's like tar, man. That's crazy. Interesting to see how this tastes like. Check that out. Sweet. Now she's super flavoursome. Well, that's really nice. Semi-sweet. I don't know if I'm tasting, there is obviously some soy in there and stuff. Can't tell if there's any oyster sauce, stuff like that. But as with most Korean dishes, well, at least the ones that aren't trying to emulate lava in your mouth, it's quite sweet with that kind of like you know, soy saucy kind of flavor going on. And it's definitely quite unique Korean, you know. And my sausage. Good idea to throw the sausage in there just for that additional texture, you know. One thing's for sure, at my age, never had a breakfast like this in my life, so first time for everything, eh? They're a bit cold now, sitting in the wind, but the sausage, I think that they're Cumberland style chipolata, and they're quite cool. So thanks very much for joining me on that one. It was a really good trip. I haven't been in the Lavu for a little while now. Yeah, I think I quite enjoyed that. The storm didn't really wreck me. It was quite heavy. I mean, when I woke up this morning, to be honest, I just knew, like, man, the Lavu is bomb-proof, right? I was pretty surprised when I got up this morning. Quite, you know, at least if you divide the tent into like 8 segments, I think it's 8 or 6, between each and every peg. At least 3 of them were really loose, and the one of the door flaps was pretty much off. Not off, but I mean blown off underneath it. It came out of the peg again twice. Storm Ciara, sorry, but you did not defeat me or the Lavu. I hope to see you in the comment section, even if that's all you do, just come say hi and tell me what you like or didn't like about the video. Sweet.